Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to track business operations using Coda so you can monitor processes, manage teams, and keep your business running smoothly in one centralized system. Start by creating a main operations doc in Coda. Add tables for key areas like daily tasks, ongoing projects, team responsibilities, expenses, and performance metrics. Each table should focus on one operational area to keep data clean and organized. Use clear column names such as status, owner, priority, due date, and notes to track progress and accountability across your business. Next, link your tables together to create a complete operational overview. For example, connect tasks to projects or assign responsibilities to team members. Use views like board, calendar, or Gantt to visualize workflows, deadlines, and timelines. You can also build dashboards that show key metrics, overdue tasks, or bottlenecks at a glance, helping you make faster decisions. To improve efficiency, add buttons, formulas, and simple automations to reduce manual work. Buttons can update statuses, assign tasks, or log completed actions. Formulas help calculate totals, performance indicators, or completion rates automatically. Regularly review your data, update workflows, and archive completed operations to keep everything running efficiently. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Start tracking your business operations in Coda today and gain full visibility, control, and clarity over your workflows in 2026 and beyond. Hey, everyone.